Ladies and gentlemen, can you imagine those moments when you are driving a powerful and beautiful sports car? Today, we will talk about the 2025 Porsche Panamera GTS, which is not just a car but an extraordinary experience. Its aggressive design, modern technology, and a combination of rock-like power and smooth maneuvers will elevate your heartbeat. Here's a question for you: are you ready to invest in such a magnificent car? In the import of luxury cars worldwide, the name Porsche is considered a prestigious and reliable brand. The Panamera GTS is an excellent example of this standard. Here are some key features of its quality. The design of the 2025 Panamera GTS presents a beautiful blend of modernity and class. Exterior design: it features a stunning mesh grille, lightweight alloy wheels, and modern LED headlights. Interior design: inside, a luxurious environment has been created utilizing high-quality materials such as soft leather, wood trim, and advanced technology. The performance of the Panamera GTS is exceptional, especially when it comes to agility and speed. Traction and handling: the AWD, all-wheel drive, system and balanced suspension technology provide excellent traction. Fuel economy: its fuel average is approximately 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, which is reasonable for a sports car. Just take a moment to think: when you experience its speed, won't you feel that the world is left behind you? The Panamera GTS is rich in modern technology, featuring the following key attributes. Infotainment system: a 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone. Sound system: a high-end audio experience with the Burmester sound system, ensuring cinematic sound quality. Just think about how you would use this sound system to listen to your favorite music while you're in a world of your own. The GTS has also improved travel amenities. Comfortable seats: adjustable seats that provide comfort during long journeys. Air conditioning: features dual-zone AC, offering a pleasant experience for passengers separately. Engine performance: the Panamera GTS is equipped with a 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 453 horsepower. This engine takes just 3.9 seconds to accelerate the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour, demonstrating its sports sedan nature. It features an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, PDK, that ensures smooth and rapid gear changes. Computerized suspension: utilizing the Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system, this car provides maximum comfort and control. And how many of you desire such performance where the car's engine speaks for itself? Generally, the base price of the 2025 Panamera GTS is around $130,000, which is reasonable considering its performance and features. Dear friends, the 2025 Porsche Panamera GTS is truly an outstanding car that impresses its users in every aspect. Its unique design, exceptional performance, and modern technology make it a distinguished option in its category. Whether you want to adopt it for personal travel or use it for special occasions, the Panamera GTS offers an extraordinary experience in every way. It's not just a car, but a combination of robust performance and stunning design that is captivating for every car enthusiast. Are you ready to incorporate this extraordinary experience into your life? What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.